નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 7 subject English unit number 6 exploring patriotism. Students, in our previous videos we completed activity number 1 to 8. Now today in this video we have to do activity number 9. Activity number 9 is actually related to our social work. It is related to our social work. We have to ask questions to social workers about their works, how they do works, which type of works they do. We have to find out by an interview. Here one type of interview is given. One type of interview is given. You have to take interviews of anyone, social reformer, and you have to ask different types of questions. How they work, which type of work is that, how we solve it. All types of questions we have to ask them. Okay? So let's start our activity number 9. Open your textbook, page number 58 of your textbook. Activity number 9. First of all, I read the heading of the activity number 9. Heading is given here. Interview a social worker in your locality to find out about the problem faced by the people living in your area. Now what we have to do here in that activity, activity number 9 is really related to one interview. Interview a social worker in your locality. First of all, you have to find out the social worker in your area, in your locality. Then find out about the problems faced by people living in your area. And by asking some questions to your social worker, find out the problem faced by your local people. Prepare a questionnaire. Now you have to prepare a questionnaire for the interview. Start with the following questions. Now you have to meet that social worker and ask some questions. Before meet them, you have to prepare the questionnaire. Which type of questions you can ask to that social worker. Okay? Just you have to make a list of questions. Which type of questions you have to ask. Where you have to ask. Okay? So first of all, you have to prepare yourself one questionnaire. Start with the following questions. Then add a few of your own. Here 3 questions as an example is given. Start with that questions and add other questions as you feel suitable. That type of question you have to add in that list. 3 questions is given here. First of all, 3 questions we have to understand. First of all, 3 questions we have to understand. First question is given here. See. First question is given here. May I know your good name, sir or ma'am? May I know your good name, sir or madam? If sir is there, then you can ask that, may I know your good name, sir? If madam is there, then you have to ask question that, may I know your good name, madam? Okay? First question we have to ask whenever we started our questionnaire. So first question is there, we have to ask the name of that social worker. So first question is given here. First question is that, may I know your good name, sir or madam? Sir or madam. Here our first question we have to ask. We have to ask first question. Here like that, may I know your good name, sir or madam? Then second question is also given in our textbook. Second question is given here. How long have you been working in this field? Second question is that how long have you been working? You been working in this field? In this field. Here our second question. How long have you been working? आप कितने समय से इस क्षेत्र में काम कर रहे हैं? So second question. How long have you been working in this field? Third question is given also here. For how long have you been in this locality? Third question is given here. For how long have you been in this locality? In this locality. आप कितने समय से ये एरिया में काम कर रहे हैं? Like that, three questions is already given in our textbook. Based on that, we have to create other question on downside. Which type of question we have to ask that local social worker? Three questions already given. Now, fourth, I create myself. Just for an example, just we can ask question like that. Fourth question, what is your usual meeting time? Usual meeting time. We can ask that type of question. What is your usual meeting time, sir or madam? आप किस समय पे मिलते हैं? Next question we can form. Fifth one we can form by that. Where do you usually sit to listen to the problem of people, problems of people. आप people के प्रॉब्लम सुनने के लिए कहां पे बैठते हैं? We can ask that type of question. Now next we can ask that 6 number like how do you proceed? How do you proceed once you listen to people's problems? अपने पीपल के जो प्रॉब्लम सुने उसके लिए आप क्या करते हैं? We can ask that type of question also. Again, question. Now next we have to see 7th question. How do you decide? How do you decide the time limit for the problem to be solved? Problem to be solved. So I write last question is there, how do you decide the design limit for the problem to be solved? आप कितने समय में, आप समय कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं कि इतने टाइम में आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा? So that type of question we can ask any social worker whom we visited, whom we interviewed. So that type of, now you can add many more questions. Which type of questions you have to ask that person? Here, for example, I give 3 is given in our textbook. Extra 4 I gave. How we add questions? Okay, extra 4 questions I give to your understanding. Okay, so now make a list as long as you can. आप जितना बड़ा लिस्ट बना सकते हैं इसमें आप ऐड कर सकते हैं. So which type of questions you can ask any social worker when you interview them? Okay, so by this way we can ask questions and we know more things about how they work and how to solve the problems of people. Okay, by this way our activity number 9 over here, activity number 9 we have to do it. Just you have to write that questions in your planner book, give heading activity number 9, then questionnaire. You can have heading like that, questionnaire. Questionnaire, and then you have to write 7 question and you can add more questions as you like. Okay, just prepare that 7 and more than 7 questions list in your farewell. So complete it under heading activity number 9. So students, here our activity number 9. Activity number 10 now we have to see. Activity number 10 is actually based on you. You have to explain your experience here in activity number 10. See here. What is this? First of all, we have to understand about it. Write about the experiences you had when you visited a place you had never been to before. Now what is given here in activity number 10? Here you have to write your experiences you had when you visited a place you have never been. आप पहले कभी कोई प्लेस पे नहीं गए थे, वहां पे आप जाते हैं तो आपको कैसा एक्सपीरियंस होता है? Just you have to make a report writing here. One type of prepare one type of report here. When you went that place first time, what you feel, how you feel, all the things you have to add here. You have to write your own self here. Just try. Well, for example, we went to picnic. We went to tour for Kutch last year. Before last year, okay. At that time, first time you visited Kutch. Different places we visited, Mandvi, then Bhuj, Thodo, okay, Kala Dungar, Narayan Sarovar. So you have to write about first experience, how you feel at that place, what you see, what experience you got from that place, everything you have to write in that activity number 10. Can you understand, student, how to do that activity? So just try it yourself in any rough page and make a experience list here in activity number 10. Can you understand, student? So with that, here our activity number 10 also over. After that, we completed our activity number 10, then our unit number 6, exploring patriotism, we completed here. By this way, we successfully completed our first semester English course. So here we completed 1 to 6th unit. Okay, here our first semester of 7th standard over. Just you have to prepare very well for our examination. All the activities you have to do very well, prepared very well, questions prepared very well, do your work regularly, complete the remaining work, complete the Fairnot book, complete the workbook and all the things. Just here we completed our first semester. So all the best for your examination and next semester.
Thank you for joining us.